is Sarah. I am a mommy to 5 children, and on this channel, it is my goal to bring you some motivational motherhood for the everyday. And as moms, we know that cleaning is a necessity in our home. And I don't know about you all, but if my house is in disarray, especially as a stay-at-home mom, I feel anxious and I feel like flustered. And so today I'm going to show you a few ways that I get it done every day. That way I don't have those feelings of anxiousness like enter in. So today I'm going to show you how I power hour clean. And if you search YouTube, you're going to find all kinds of power hour cleaning, and you may be wondering, like, what is that? Well, personally, I power hour clean all throughout the day, usually in 3 or 4 different blocks. So today I'm going to bring you along with me on those cleanings just to kind of like show you how I get it all done. And it is a rainy, dreary day, which is perfect for cleaning and kind of staying inside, but it may not be great for lighting, so give me some grace on that one. But with that being said, it's 9 o'clock a.m. right now. I just got my older ones off to school. The little ones are in there eating breakfast and watching Toy Story 4, and we're gonna jump right into the first hour cleaning that I do in my day.
So if you have never heard of power hour cleaning before, essentially you set a timer for 1 hour and you knock out as many chores as you can in that hour time period. This still gives you freedom to run errands, play with your children, sit down, enjoy some coffee, etc., and still get your housework done. That way, instead of doing like an all-day cleaning marathon, you're breaking up your cleaning into multiple blocks throughout the day. So personally, I always begin with my normal morning cleaning routine. I do have a video of that and I will link it in the description box below. But for this power hour, I'm going to start with my laundry, my kitchen, and my main living space area and knock out those areas first. Thankfully, on this morning, the kitchen was not very messy. We actually had a very busy weekend spent out of the home. That seems to be our norm as of late. We actually went to an amusement park, a trampoline park, church, lots of games, etc. this weekend, so it was busy, busy, busy. But we did not make a huge mess of our kitchen, which is a plus on this Monday morning. The products I am using this morning to clean is just my Thieves Essential Oil Spray. I use that as a multi-purpose cleaner all over my home, almost on every surface. I'm also using the Norwex cloths. I do not sell Norwex, but I have tons of their cloths, and I highly encourage everyone to purchase them. They are great cleaners. I love them, and it kind of takes a lot of the chemicals out of your home, which is great as well. I'm about 30 minutes into power hour right now, and the boys just finished breakfast, so I'm going to go ahead and bring them over here and get them changed for the day and then clean up the mess from that. If you are at all interested in my fall home decor, I do have multiple videos of this process, and I will link those in the description box below. I'm loving how my house came out this fall. I'm loving the farmhouse style, and most of the fall decor was all bought on a budget, so if that interests you, please be sure to check out those videos as well. Now, I will say that I do not dust all of these tables, lamps, picture frames, etc. every day. That would just be ridiculous. However, when I do start power hour in the morning, I kind of like to look around my house and make like a running list in my head of things that I want to check off that day. So today, dusting was one of them. I highly suggest that you do that as well before you start your power hour. Kind of just walk around, figure out what you need to do, what is giving you anxiety that day, what is keeping you from being able to just enjoy time with your children. You could write it down, you can keep a running list in your head, etc. And then just try to knock out those things while you are power hour cleaning, and it will save your sanity. So that's one room down. We still have about 15 to 20 minutes to go. And like I said, the boys just finished breakfast. So I'm gonna head back into the kitchen and clean up the after breakfast mess. So while I was cleaning the table, I realized that the rug underneath the table is actually pretty disgusting. So I went ahead and vacuumed it this morning. This is not normally something that I do every morning. This is generally something that we will do after dinner, but we did not vacuum it at all this weekend and it just highly needed it. So I went ahead and knocked that out as well. Now I'm heading into the half bath that is right outside the kitchen. This is the bathroom that my kids use in the morning to get ready for school. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a quick wipe down, get my diffuser started, wipe down the mirror, etc., and just get this bathroom put back in shape for the day. I have recently been diffusing peppermint oil in this diffuser in this bathroom. I feel like it helps take away the little boy urine smell. So if you're a boy mom like me, peppermint in the diffuser in the bathroom might be the way to go. Now, all you mamas, I want you to take note of this sign. It says the most important work you will ever do will be within the walls of your own home. I know that as moms, sometimes we may feel devalued or underappreciated or feel like we're not really accomplishing anything in a day because we're not necessarily pulling in a paycheck. But I want you to know that your work as a mom is the most important thing that you will ever do. You are raising the next generation. You are feeding into those children. You are providing a comfy home and space for your family to grow and thrive, and you are doing a great job. So always remember that. I have exactly 7 minutes left in this power hour. The little boys actually just went downstairs to start playing trains. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out sweeping my kitchen and mopping it. I may go a little bit over that 7 minutes, but as moms, we all know that if our kids are content, we can go ahead and get a task accomplished and then move forward with the rest of our day. Can I get an amen? Today I will be mopping with my O Cedar mop, and then I'm using a few drops of the Thieves Essential Oil Cleaner in the water as well. This will just provide a little bit of a scent and also put a little bit of immunity boosting oils on my floor. That way when the babies are crawling around and stuff, they're not necessarily like crawling around in filth. So time is up for this hour, but before I head downstairs to play with the boys, I want to go ahead and switch this laundry and get a new load started. I noticed when I was mopping that I really needed to wash my mop head, so I'm going to go ahead and throw it in. The O-Cedar mop is a microfiber mop, so you just throw it in the washing machine whenever it needs cleaned. I do not do this after every time I mop, but I try to every 2 or 3 times. So let me know in the comments below how often you wash your mop head. It is now a few hours later. It's around lunchtime. My kindergartner just got home from school, and so I am feeding the 3 little boys some lunch. And during this time, I'm going to try to tackle the next things on my list. Generally, this is when I will do the second power hour clean around noon. While they're eating, I'll do some things close to the kitchen, and then when they are done with eating, they get to sit down and have a show before nap time, and I try to tackle as much as I can. Try to get some uninterrupted cleaning done. It doesn't always happen. Generally, they'll tag along with me, but this is when I do the second clean of the day. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually just heading into my daughter's room. It is a mess. She is actually going to be cleaning this after she gets home from school, because when I walked in, I was like, whoa. But what I'm doing is going through all of her pants and winter clothes that I had put away last year to see what fits. I am making a donation pile, I'm making a pile of things to keep, and then I'm making a try-on pile. And I'm going to go through a lot of her clothes and just go ahead and sort them and get them organized for this new season that's coming, because like it or not, winter is unfortunately upon us. I am just transitioning her drawers over to winter clothes at this point. In her drawer, she still had a ton of shorts and things like that, so I want to go ahead and pull those out. I kind of just don't even think about what will fit her next summer. I just pull all the shorts out. I put them in like this basket that I keep stored in her closet, and then next spring we will reevaluate what shorts fit and what do not fit, because honestly, it's just too much mind space right now for me to try to guess what size she's going to be next summer. And she grows really slow for her age, so it's just too much to try to figure out. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and transition that over, and then I'm going to head to her closet. This is the huge donation pile that I have. I actually have a friend that has twin girls. She actually has a YouTube channel. I'm going to link her channel in the description box below as well, but all of those hand-me-downs are going to her. Now I'm heading upstairs into the dining room, and I'm going to go ahead and fold the laundry from this morning. This is all 3 of my little boys' laundry. I like to kind of just do their laundry together, sort it in this basket by person, so I make 3 different piles. That way it's easier for me to put it away. And then at this point, the boys are watching a show and running amok, and so I'm going to go ahead and try to get this laundry put away before it's time for their nap. So I have about 10 minutes left in this hour. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the little boys' clothing away, and then I'm going to head into my master bedroom. I did have a mess in my master bedroom from filming my sweater weather humorous video that I filmed the other day. I'm going to link that in the description box below, but I'm going to go ahead and clean that mess up, strip my bedding to get it washed, and then wipe down my master bathroom really quick, and then call this second hour done. It is now nap time, and I am so excited to make myself some lunch and sit down and chill. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and just clean off the table from the lunch mess. That way I have nothing stressing me out while I'm trying to relax. I hope that this video was motivational to you. I hope that it gives you inspiration to go ahead and divide your cleaning into power hour blocks as well. It really does allow you as a mom to kind of just get your work done, but then still be able to enjoy the little moments with your kids, which is really what it's all about. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.